Hello and welcome to my channel and this CNC project that I got going. This is the 3D model and I thought I briefly wanted to show you the ideas behind it. It's a classical C-frame. The main axis is made of two quite big metal slabs on around 350 kilos each. So kind of heavy duty and very rigid. It's also made of carbon steel. Also got this weight counterbalance system, as you can see here. Very commonly used on this type of machines. The spindle assembly alone with the motor and spindle nose and everything is around 200 kilos, so have to balance it somehow. Also got some iterations of automatic tool changer that at a later stage I want to add. It's also the reason for the quite long set travel here on 600 millimeters. Also made some iterations of the cabinet. It's here you can see the frame and the plates as well. An electrical cabinet on the left side here. It's mainly some inspiration from the Haas Mini Mill actually. Also gonna add a water tank here with some high pressure pumps for the cooling.